Can you say Dada?
Hey,
Dada?
who am I? Who am I? Jalen.
Jalen? Dada. Say Dada. Dada. Say Dada. Dada.
Jalen, say Dada. Dada. A Dada.
Good
A
job. Good job. Dada. Dada. Jalen? Dada. Can you say it? Okay. Can you say Ma? No. Ma? Ma? Aww. We put the pacifier in the mouth. That means no more talking. No more talking.
Jalen, say Ma.
She's not saying Ma. Can you say Ma? Okay, say bye-bye.